Nikon's 2024 lineup has something for everyone. Today, we're doing a lightning-fast comparison between the Z6 III and the Z50 II. The Z6 III brings a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor for pro low-light power, while the Z50 II features a compact 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor. Size matters. The Z6 III is a robust professional tool, whereas the Z50 II is remarkably lightweight and travel-ready. With the Z6 III, you get 6K internal RAW video and 120 FPS bursts. The Z50 II counters with 4K oversampling and a creator-friendly design. The Z50 II even includes a dedicated picture control button and a tally light, perfect for content creators on the move. Choose the Z6 III for professional weddings and sports. Pick the Z50 II for high-end vlogging and social media. Professional power or portable creativity, both are winners in the Nikon Z ecosystem. Which one is right for you? Check out the full specs in the description. Happy shooting!